YouTube, what is up? Bearded Yakking here. We're back. I know I've been away for about a week and a half. People have been asking where am I at. Hey, taking a break. You know what I mean? So what we're going to do, I've had people in numerous live streams and other videos ask for an updated Toolbox store. So that's what we're going to do here. We're going to do an updated Toolbox store. And if you're watching this, hit the subscribe button now, like the video, and comment at the end. But what we're going to do, we're going to get started here in a brief second after the intro. Alright, we'll see you guys in a second. Alright guys, here we are. Going to do this Toolbox tour. You guys probably hear some cars and stuff because it's a nice day out and we got the garage open. So let's get started. Got my stickers, Coon Trucking, you know, stickers all over. Well, not all over. Got my magnets right here. Another magnet there. We'll open her up. Should have some music as the lid opens. Sucks I can't zoom out. Well, yeah, this is the this is where all my shit goes. It's a mess right now. It's not organized. As you can see, my Eagles Super Bowl champion stuff all over it, there, here, even right there. So got the emblem right there. So yeah, there's my chargers, some shit in the back, some other shit back there filled with mints, peppermints for some reason. But get started with this first drawer here, where I keep my picks. Well, I rearranged this shit so many times. Got my files and stuff here. Got a random knife from a buddy at work. My buddy Justin Thomas at work. He's always bitching at me about not giving him a shout out in a video. Well, there's your shout out, dude. But picks complimentary of J.R. Little. It's a good guy right there. He's the man. And, these here cheap file set from Home Depot. There's, I don't know, I forget what brand, I guess the HDX or whatever. This drawer here is my junk drawer. Electrical shit and some, you know, infrared thermometer, 56 degrees in the box, wood burning kit or soldering kit, cheap hot glue gun for like $3, you know, zip ties, electrical tape. This drawer here's got a bunch of shit in it, you know, it's just filled, running out of room, you know what I mean? Now we'll start right here at this bottom one, go over. This is half-inch impact. Couple lights in here. More Ryobi shit. I'm a Ryobi nut, so another Sawzall blade. Old Nikon batteries. Still run. Still work. This is all my measurement shit, except for the easy outs. As you can see, I got a lot of measuring shit. Good for metalworking and woodworking. Now here's where all my ratchets are. Got a Carlisle flex head, lock and flex head, 3/8 drive here. Snap on, extra long. 3/8 drive, complimentary, both of them with complimentary J.R. Little. And what I have here is a Job Smart Flex Head 3/8 drive, non-locking. It's a nice ratchet. It's alright. Here we got the swivel head or roto head, Pittsburgh 1/2-inch drive, socket wrench. We got right here, we got Stanley 3/8 drive. Here is a Silver Eagle. I think it is. Yeah, Silver Eagle. Complimentaries of Snowman 1. Well, Jeremy. And I got this bullshit 3/8 drive, weird ratchet. Hard Knocks 4's got one of these. One of my bullshit giveaways. And we got some bullshit ratchet here. This one. And we got the Lang. Shit. This here is the Lang battery terminal. 8mm, 10mm, or some shit like that. 5/16 or something. And we got a snap-on 1/4-inch ratchet, complimentary of J.R. Little. And we got this Mac Tools 1/4-inch, complimentary of Snowman 1. Then we have this Stanley 120, Stanley 122 1/2-inch drive, complimentary of a trucking company at work. Then we have Vector Tools extensions. These are cool. These are good. I like these. These here were like $12, 9-piece set. These are nice. Off Amazon. We'll go down in the big drawers. Screwdriver drawers. Got these this set here, flatheads, all flatheads here, orange, whatever color handle that is, I can't tell. This red handle. Lighting's weird right now. Complimentary of H&H, TJ over H&H Country, along with these nut drivers. I got two Stanleys back here. I got these performance tools with the striking caps, to where you can put a wrench on them too. They're nice. I got them at Tractor Supply for like $4.99. Some more Stanley screwdrivers, some more bullshit stuff. Snap-on screwdrivers. These right now are like my go-to screwdrivers. I've been using them every chance I need a screwdriver. Complimentaries of J.R. Little. Next drawer would be the wrench drawer. Tecton stubbies, both metric and standard. And I got Powerbuilt, I think. Yeah, Powerbuilt flare nut wrenches back here. And some bullshit Stanleys, some bullshit Skill, they suck. Random wrench I found in the parking lot. I got metric gear wrench here. I completed the set with a Husky 19mm, complimentaries J.R. Little. Then the SAE gear wrench ratcheting wrenches, also complimentaries of J.R. Little, to where I need to grab 2 more Husky wrenches and that will finish off this set. Then I have these Husky double box ends there, some Pittsburgh crow's foot. That about does it for the wrenches. Pliers drawer. We got pliers. Pliers. This snap-on set here, complimentary of J.R. Little. I've been using these a lot. I've also got the Knipex, Knipex, or whatever you want to call them. These are complimentary of Bobby the Boss, along with the miniature bolt cutters. I've been using them lately. I got Tecton rivet gun, well, riveter. Some bullshit pliers here. Some Harbor Freight pliers. Everybody knows Husky. I've had them a while. I've had this thing for years. The vice grips, Irwin vice grips back there, I've had for years. A couple of these I've had for years. Next drawer would be, I believe, my socket drawer. Yep. So we got sockets all here. I can't see what they are from where I'm standing, but you guys see all the sockets. But what I can tell you, this here is the Carlisle. I can't remember if they're metric. Let me see. They had a metric set, Carlisle, complimentary. These are the deeps, complimentary of J.R. Little. This here also goes with the other set of Carlisle that I have, this 3/8 drive. That was also complimentary of J.R. Little. They go on the road with me when I travel, in my travel box. Then I have my impact sockets here. 1/4-inch impact sockets, complimentary. These are Cornwell, complimentary J.R. Little. Torque wrench. We got the big boy Steelman Pro Cobra, complimentaries of Cat Loco. Check him out. I got my Pittsburgh 1/2-inch drive breaker bar, just like everybody else needs. Close that. Now this is, I just keep clamps and my hammers and shit in there. So, nothing special about that drawer. This here is where I had a bunch of power tools in here, but since I built a workbench and put a filing cabinet on the workbench, I moved some of them over here. And this is that other set I was telling you about for them deep sockets. This here is the Carlisle 3/8. Comes with a bunch of shit in it. And I'll open it up. Plus, I have a video on it anyway. Mail call, J.R. Little edition. That's what the set looks like. Comes with a breaker bar, 2 extensions, a universal, a ratchet, and then shallow sockets. So I'm actually gonna probably pull that stuff out of the case. So get another socket tray from Harbor Freight. Put all them on. Oh, that's it. That's it for the toolbox tour. Let me know in the video if you guys want to see a toolbox tour, or the red one, and add into the workbench too. So, hey, that's it for the toolbox tour. Alright guys, so that about wraps it up for the toolbox tour. I know a lot of you has been asking for me to do an updated one. By the way, the beard is growing back good. Not only that, we're above 400 subs. We need 95 more to start this giveaway, 500 sub giveaway. So if you guys want a chance at winning this, subscribe, share this video, do whatever you want. Promote the channel, you know what I mean? At 500 subs, we're going to do a giveaway in a handcrafted shadow box by me with some donated vintage tools from other channels. Well, this whole set here was from Matt over at the Super Rents Garage. And he donated them specifically for the 500 sub giveaway, which it's built, it's done, it's handcrafted, no stain, nothing. It's just something, you know, I figured I'd do since it hasn't been done. Somebody give away some vintage shit like this. You know what I mean? There's a lot of history inside, behind the glass. There's a lot of history here. Over 100 years of history right here behind the glass. So if you guys want a shot at it, subscribe to the channel. Drop me a line in this video, you know, about the Toolbox store. But we got to get to 500 subs before we give this away. So this is Bearded Yakkin'. Like, comment, subscribe. We are signing off.